the zone of influence in drainage area, which was insufficient according to us, because based on our meeting with the CM, Honorable CM, he has clearly, we have put to him that we need fresh notification of, because it is incorrectly notified. So fresh survey is required, and after that re-notification is required, which he has agreed. Sir has also agreed. It seems like there was some sort of a misunderstanding between their departments. Now they are clarifying it and clearing that doubt for us, putting it in writing so that the scope of work or inspection that has to be conducted will go to all departments, and it's very clear. There's no confusion.
From your side, who will be for this inspection? Who will be representing yours?
We'll have our experts. We'll have 5 of our village representatives, and we'll have 2 experts. Architect Hyson Pinto, who has given a detailed study of the entire lake, as well as Mr. Smitesh, who is a hydrologist. He will also be there present.
The fresh notification is come now?
No. It is first has to be resurveyed, and only then, once we agree to that to the resurvey that they have done, and all our experts agree to it, and only then we can go for it. It will take time. They'll have to follow, because draft re-notification they'll have to publish, invite objections and invite comments from the public, and only then.
म्हणजे आता इतके खबर आसतना तांकां म्हणजे ती सगळी टीम घेवन येयले सर्वे घेवपाक, हेजेर कितें म्हणजे तुमी आतां म्हटल्यार सगळे लेटर करूंक जाय, नोटिफिकेशन करूंक जाय, ते आसतना सद्या सगळी टीम घेवन येयले, म्हणजे हेजो कितें असो म्हणजे फास्ट अशी गडबडीन करता अशें ना.
उद्देश कसो आसा, तांकां जाय ते फास्ट जाय कटनी. पण आतां सरान सुद्दां सांगलें, सरान सुद्दां सांगलें की हें जर आमी हें करता, रिनोटिफाय करता जाल्यार कमीच कमी 2 म्हयने तरी लागतले. बाकी स्टडी आसा न्ही, तांकां ते बेगीन जाय न्ही, बेगीन.
पण तुम्ही मागलं ते रिनोटिफाय मागला.
And it has to be as per the rules of re-notification. You cannot do it as per your.
So the previous notification will be scrapped afterwards.
Yes, it has to be scrapped. It is wrong. It's incorrect. Incorrectly marked.